I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use Canva to create faceless YouTube videos. This approach allows you to produce compelling content without needing to be on camera. Canva provides an intuitive interface and a vast library of assets, making the process straightforward. We'll cover everything from gathering your visual elements to adding a voiceover and exporting your final project. Get ready to unlock a new way to share your message with the world, reaching thousands of potential viewers. Before diving into design, it's crucial to gather all your creative assets. Start by selecting a captivating topic for your video. Then, source high-quality stock photos, video clips, and suitable background music. Canva offers a massive library with millions of options, both free and premium, to help you find exactly what you need. Remember, the quality of your visuals and audio significantly impacts viewer engagement, so choose wisely to create a polished final product. Now, let's bring your vision to life within Canva. You can start with one of Canva's thousands of pre-designed video templates, or opt for a blank canvas for full creative control. Add engaging text overlays, apply dynamic animations to your elements, and use smooth transitions between your video scenes. Maintain consistent branding by sticking to a specific color palette and font styles throughout. Thoughtful arrangement of elements ensures a professional and visually appealing video that captures attention. The final touches involve adding your voice and preparing for export. Record a clear, engaging voiceover for your script, ensuring it sounds professional. Then, carefully sync this audio track with your visual elements within Canva's editor. Take time to review your entire video, making sure the timing is perfect and the flow is seamless. Once satisfied, export your finished video in high definition, typically 1080 pixels, ready for upload to YouTube, reaching a wide audience.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.